you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you. God bless you, my darling people. Good news there, oh, my darling people. Today's topic now about Ada Jesus. Ada Jesus don't dey respond to treatment. So I am so happy for her. She dey respond to treatment now. Ada Jesus, they celebrate her birthday today. So Ada Jesus even they eat by himself na good thing. So Odumeje, you don't shame now. You don't see and say, not be you. Now him get the power when Ada Jesus go take heal. They only become your church, may you forgive them. They not come because of that money where you can't give them. You see, say God don't finally do it now. Ada Jesus now don't dey okay. Ada Jesus now, as in the whole world don't hear his name now. Ada Jesus now don't popular past IFB. And I see, thank God, say the good Nigerians where we get, they not see failures. They make sure say the whole world get up for Ada Jesus. The whole world pray for her. Ada Jesus, even native daughters say they pray for Ada Jesus. So today now, Ada Jesus now don't they get better. You see, Ada Jesus now just medical problem. Now Ada Jesus be guilt. Not be say na Odumeje na it caused that sickness for a body before. But Odumeje can't dey feel say because say Ada Jesus they sick now na it can't do am. No, not be you cause am. Ada Jesus now don't dey okay. She dey respond to treatment now. Thank God. When I see Ada Jesus today when they celebrate her birthday, I was so happy. Because not be the same Ada Jesus when we see that time when they rush go hospital, when they rush go Odumeje church when it be like we enemy one evil die today. But Ada Jesus now is okay now. Thank God for her life. I thank God say Ada Jesus not the respond to treatment. She is okay now by the grace of God. So before this month go end, now another news you see and say Ada Jesus go dey waka by herself. She go dey okay finish. So thank God for the good Nigerians wey we get. Thank God. I don't know say people they cooperate like this. Oh, see the way everybody take get up for Ada Jesus. See the way everybody take happy. See the way everybody take say no, Ada Jesus no go me lie. God no go agree. Ada Jesus must be healed. See the way everybody take get up for Ada Jesus. I am so happy. Ada Jesus now is okay. We thank God for her life. We thank God. We thank God. She's responding to treatments now. I am so happy for Ada Jesus. Ada Jesus now don't the day okay, my darling people. I go put the video more and see Ada Jesus. She's okay now. She was even celebrating her birthday today. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank God for her life. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Una know say when this kind of thing go happen to a person, and that time you can't see the one way be say you not do anything. You can't be say na they swear where he swear for his mind. Now he make the person they sick. Whereas they not swear any swear. Even retired don't just they say na I beg. Una not swear any swear. Now just she don't forget that problem, that kidney problem. Don't forget the warrior before he even know now. Before he even swear you can't insult to now. So not gonna cost that one. My darling people. So I will put the video more and say my darling people. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye. Share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye everybody. Bye.
No, from like we ate it for me. Something to drink.
So enough of that.
Wait till it comes.
This one will be see your home for that. I mean, on cooking. And now.
I'm happy.